can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get a curly, cute bun. This is actually my first time doing it, but I feel like I just know how to do it. So I'm just gonna go for it. So yeah, the things you guys are gonna need for this video is Eco Styling Gel, any type of edge control. This isn't the edge control that I prefer, but it's the one that Walmart had because unfortunately I don't have a beauty store near me. So we're gonna need some ponytails and then some bobby pins, which I'll throw over here. You're gonna need some bobby pins, and then of course your handy dandy toothbrush, and then your handy dandy brush. So I just took my hair looks crazy right now. But so the first thing you're gonna do is take your gel. It really doesn't take that much for me to slick my hair back. And what I do is I'm just going to put my ear here and dip the end of my brush into the gel. And just start applying the gel like all the way in the front with the softer side of the brush. And I'm just going to be brushing it up. Just going to zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing. And if you guys want, you can like pull out. I already kind of brushed mine down. And you're just gonna keep brushing it all the way up and applying. I like to put a nice little generous amount of gel, but I guess it depends what kind of thickness your hair has. A lot of people usually ask me like what type of hair I have, and I'm really not even into like all that hair classifying stuff, so I don't know. I think people would be saying like I have like 3C. I have thin hair. My mom has thin hair, so unfortunately I do too. So just want to make sure the back is all brushed and it looks cute. Like I said, you can like pull out the little side hairs if you want to. Oh. And I just go through a couple times to make sure that everything's flat. And then I'm trying to put this in as small as a ponytail as I can. So as tight as you can get it. That's about right. And I go through it again. Just make sure it's nice and flat. And then I can't even open this because my hands are so slippery. I'm like talking and looking for myself at the same time. I'm going to go, let me zoom in. I'm going to go in with my edge control and style my edges. I usually like to style my edges with a comb, but I don't have one right now, so this will have to do. And the edges are like my favorite. I got so much head control. I always struggle with this edge right here. It never looks how I want it to look. So I just play with it. See what I'm talking about? Like, why is it all up on my forehead? No. Okay, that works. Now that I have all this edge control on my forehead, I'm just gonna go to this side. And I really just like pull my hair out. My edges kind of just fall out, so it's not really hard for me. And I just did a little swoop-de-doop. Then I go to my other side. And we swoop-de-doop-de-doop again. We're gonna comb these baby hairs up. Matter of fact. And I make sure to look at my hair from all angles so that I can make sure it's looking how I want it to look. I'm not even in the camera. But y'all know what I'm doing. I'm just swoop-de-doop-dooping. And then I like to go in and pull down some edges on the side. You know. That's like my favorite part of my bun. It's the little side edges. Just like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bobby pin and then I'm gonna take some track. You already know what the fuck it is. And I'm gonna bobby pin it into the end. Just like this. Make sure it's secure and I'm gonna stick it right into my bun. Just like that. And you're gonna find the way you wanna go. And you're gonna wrap. And then as you wrap, you're gonna keep flipping. And then wrap. And flip. And wrap. And flip. And wrap. And you can tighten it as you go. And flip. Wrap. And flip. And you'll take another bobby pin once you get to the end. And just make sure that the hair is secure. And I'm trying to decide like if I want to add more hair. And then after this, you're really done after this, really. You take another ponytail. These aren't even the ponytails I like, but just gonna take a ponytail and put it over the bun. I just usually do one. And then I take some bobby pins. My bobby pins fell. And you just pin it how you like it, really. So like this can go in a little bit. just play with it. I'll go back in. And for people who like, I just don't be laying or like staying, you can just like go in and wrap it. I like to put hairspray on my hair. That's just how I am. A lot of people don't like hairspray though. So yeah, this is how I do my curly bun, you guys. So make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys like this video. I really enjoy like doing hair videos, so like I don't really like having weave in my head because then I can't like do hair videos like this for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely be doing more videos like this, and let me know what you guys want to see below because I love to like experiment and learn things and then share things with you guys, especially when I get like new hair hacks and stuff. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.